Good morning, all of you. Uh, Today I'm trying to record a video through my mobile phone. I am not quite fond of recording video or speaking in front of camera. It's my second chance to do this kind of activity. And this morning time, I'm roaming around. I'm walking around my khet, and like in morning I prefer to come out just because in order to be better, in order to feel better in terms of mental and physical. And this moment always can make you perfect if you are go if you go in the morning time, or if you like to talk to yourself, you just can talk whatever you feel like if you want to talk on any topic, you just can put questions to yourself, and subconsciously you will try to speak the answer. Like that's how you can improve your communication, as well as you can improve your thought process, or you can expand your the process of thoughts. Like how can you develop or generate new ideology, new thoughts, or new ideas by doing this. So this is the perfect way to enhance yourself. This is the perfect way to get growth mindset can lead you in a better way in your life. So in my opinion, talking to yourself is a better rather than talking to others, where you are not getting satisfaction or not getting proper communication. Like you can consider it's a better. But not only along with this morning, you can also feel uh, full of serenity, peaceful surrounding. Like there is no one, or there is no any kind of useless or hectic sound. You just can feel pure environment, fresh air. And you can also hear in my background seem to uh, be chirping of birds, or you can see a bit air is blowing. It feels cool, it feels chilling. uh, like these are the benefits of roaming around in the morning time. So I just like to always come in morning. Anyhow, I step out of my home at a morning time, and I go for a 1 hour in the morning, so that I can better for entire day. I can be rejuvenated, I can refresh, I can make myself refresh for entire day. So only this way you can make yourself in a better version. So this is the good idea from my opinion or my experience, as far as I have observed in my life. Like you can rest of your activities after doing this activity. Like this is the perfect way to improve yourself. First you can start your day with morning walk. After then you can do whatever you like, whatever you have priorities, so go for that. But first priority should be to go morning walk. And this is my opinion, or this is my suggestion to all of you. And thank you so much. Have a better day, have a healthy day. Today I would like to speak on a thought which was coming in my mind over and over again. So like I thought, let's speak out of it. So thought is it okay to uploading everything on social media, whatever you are doing at a present. Like in my opinion, I have observed so many times people might be considering it is not maturity, it is not sign of maturity if you keep putting on each and everything on social media, whatever you are doing. Like in my understanding, as far as I have observed so far, like whatever you have encounter or whatever you come across some beautiful things or beautiful moment, you are supposed to put on social media so that you can feel that moment after a few years or after some months, when you feel like to get back those moments in your mind or those moments in your memory, so you can check it out. So like these kind of activities should be done, because maturity is not kind of just you can be isolated all the time, or you just don't like talk, you just don't talk to the people. You just might be considering, if I speak in this way, people might be taking me as a immature. So not like, if you like in life need to be as a childish activities most important. If you make yourself as a childish, so you can be happier all the time, because bachpan, we can say bachpan, in childhood we used to do a lot of things without taking like judgment, like it would be better or it would not be better, what will people think about it. So like this kind of uh, we would not think. But at this present, at this age, we always keep thinking of taking actions like this, whether this kind of activity should be done or not. So in this way we always stop ourselves to go beyond of our happiness, or beyond of our comfort zone. We just think, oh, this is not good, that is not good. So like this way you can better yourself. And second thing, I always appreciate being alone rather than useless crowd or useless people who are not valuable to you, who are not important to you. Important to you in the sense, people always take advantage. So it's a better be alone. And always talk to yourself, always always record a moment in your phone. Like you just can consider the phone your friend, or you can talk, or you are talking to a friend. So like this is the good thing.